Have you ever wanted to completely change the weather in a photo? Like turning a bright, sunny day into a snowy, rainy, or foggy scene completely for free? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using an incredible tool called Google Flow. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials. Let's jump right into it. To get started, I'll use Google and search for Google Flow. The first result you see is the Google Labs website and the Flow tool, so I'll click on that. Once we're on the Flow homepage, we click on Create with Flow. This page will open up, and we'll click on New Project to enter a project workspace. After entering the workspace, we upload an image in this section. I've already downloaded a cityscape photo that clearly shows the environment and weather, which will make it easier for you to follow along and see the weather changes. I'll upload the image now and wait for it to finish uploading. In this section, you can adjust your settings. Based on my image size, I'm selecting the 16:9 aspect ratio, which perfectly matches the photo and is ideal for desktop and YouTube. I'll keep the image generation count at 1. As you can see, we have 3 models here: Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and Imagen 4. I'll use Nano Banana Pro here because it's free and doesn't consume any credits. Now, I'll type my request into the prompt section like this. The weather appears warm and clear, with no signs of rain or fog. The air looks calm and stable, with good visibility and no noticeable wind. The light has a strong golden tone, suggesting low-angle sunlight filtered through light clouds or a clear sky. The atmosphere feels dry and tranquil, with a soft, glowing warmth in the air. In my prompt, I asked to change the weather to warm and completely clear. Now, I'll hit Generate and wait for our image to be created. By the way, I'll post all the prompts used in this video in my YouTube community tab so you can easily copy and use them. Our image is ready. Looking at both images side by side, you can see how beautifully it changed the weather, turning it into a clean, warm atmosphere. Now, let's move on to the next image with a different type of weather. By clicking on the plus icon, we can select our uploaded image again and write our prompt here. I'll write my request like this. Light snow is falling steadily, with small flakes drifting through the air. The snowfall appears gentle but consistent, lightly covering surfaces and creating a soft, wintry atmosphere. The sky is overcast, casting a cold, muted light across the scene. The air feels chilly and still, with minimal wind, allowing the snow to fall calmly and evenly. This time, I wanted to create a snowy environment. I'll click Generate and wait for the image to be ready. Our image is generated. It looks good, though I think the amount of snow is a bit light. You can always specify in the prompt if you want heavier snowfall, but overall, it did a great job. I'll repeat the previous steps, and this time, I want to create a foggy weather condition. Here is how I'll phrase my request. A very dense, heavy fog fills the air, significantly reducing visibility and creating a soft, diffused atmosphere. The mist appears thick and uniform, almost obscuring distant details entirely. The light is muted and flat, with no direct sunlight visible. The overall tone is cool and pale, giving the impression of damp, still air with high moisture and no noticeable wind. Now I'll hit Generate and wait for the image to be created again. Incredible! It beautifully created the foggy cityscape for us. If you happen to notice any unwanted changes to the character during generation, just try running it again to get a better result. I'll select my image once more. This time, I wanted to generate rainy weather. I'll enter my request like this. Heavy rain is falling intensely, with dense, visible streaks cutting through the air. The rainfall appears continuous and strong, reducing clarity and creating a slightly hazy, mist-like atmosphere. The sky is overcast, casting a muted, cool-toned light. Wind is present, subtly pushing the rain at an angle and adding movement to the scene, reinforcing the sense of a stormy, unsettled weather condition. I'll click Generate and wait for the image to process. Wow, our image is ready. This one is even better than the previous ones. It captured the rainy look perfectly. The character's hair even looks wet, the ground is soaked, and the rain covers the entire scene. I want to create another variation, so I'll select my image again and put in this request. The weather appears warm and slightly hazy, with a soft, golden tint in the air. There is no visible precipitation, and the atmosphere feels dry but gently diffused by a light haze. The sky is likely covered by thin clouds or filtered sunlight, creating a muted, amber-toned glow. The overall lighting is calm and even, suggesting stable conditions with little to no wind. I want the weather to be warm and slightly hazy. I'll hit Generate and wait for it to process. It generated our image, and the weather looks fantastic this time. It even rendered the clouds in the sky beautifully. Let's select the image again. This time, I want the weather to be calm and dry. I'll enter my request like this. The weather appears calm and dry, with no signs of rain or strong wind. The air looks still, and visibility is clear, with no haze or moisture in the atmosphere. The sky is overcast with a warm, diffused light, suggesting either early evening or a cloudy day with sunlight softly filtered through the clouds. I'll click Generate. Alright, the image is done, but as you can see here, it made the image look symmetrical, which looks like a glitch. When you run into these kinds of errors, all you need to do is click on Reuse Prompt, fix any potential issues in your prompt text, and hit Generate again. I think the spacing between my words caused an issue here, so I corrected it and clicked Generate. And there we go. Our image is generated, much better this time without any errors, and the weather has successfully changed to calm and dry. I'll use my image one last time, and this time, I wanted to create a cold atmosphere and shift the weather to a chilly vibe. Here is how I'll phrase my prompt. The weather appears cool and dim, with low natural light suggesting late evening or approaching night. The air looks clear, with no visible precipitation or haze. The sky is likely overcast or already darkened, creating a subdued, bluish tone. The atmosphere feels still and calm, with no noticeable wind or movement in the air. I'll hit Generate and wait for the image to render. The image is complete, and it did an excellent job once again, perfectly transforming the weather for us. And that's a wrap. Look how easily and quickly we completely changed the weather of our photo into so many different conditions. Don't forget to grab all the prompts from the community tab on my channel and try them out yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the desired channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.